fix the wrongs I did by taking away their shame.
Thank you all for coming tonight. We asked for family and friends, and I just never realized how many friends we have. I wasn't sure what to say, so I asked my darling English major Paula for some help, and she wrote down some thoughts for me. Paula? Tonight we send our loved ones to where we thought they'd already gone. It seems like a detour, an embarrassing wrong turn. But the truth is, we knew we were going. We pretended we did, and that made us feel better. But every path leads to the unknown. Some paths join others, and some split off on their own. We gotta know where they all go, but maybe we shouldn't. Maybe the more we insist on knowing, the less we need to
All your pizza by itself?
I know what you think. The unknown